Hey guys, what's up everyone? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video, guys. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very great, very powerful and very strong ingredient that would actually help you to flush out those fats, reduce your fat cells, and equally make your skin glow from the inside out. And it's going to actually help you to reduce your size, basically. Okay, so what we're going to be needing first is that we're going to be needing carrots. Okay guys, so what you're gonna do is that we're gonna take our carrot, and then we're going to peel it. And then also we're equally going to be making use of apple. Now apple actually helps to flush out fats in the system. It helps for the teeth, it helps to give you a fresh breath, and it helps to shrink the fat, clean your colon, and then help you poop out all of those bad fat. And mixing it with this with carrot is going to be super duper amazing, because it's going to help you out so much. So literally all of the fat is going to be gone. So what you're going to do, just wash and then you cut. And then after that's done, and I'll have to be transfer it into a blender. Okay guys, so after that then we're gonna be putting water. And this is it. So now I would have to blend it. Okay guys, so after blending, then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be grabbing a cup, getting my strainer, and I'm going to be straining it into the cup directly. Okay guys, so this is it. So just 2 ingredients in here, and then you're gonna poop out all of the bad fat, and then you're gonna be healthy, and then you are going to actually be enjoying this drink because it is an amazing drink. Okay guys, so this is the 2 ingredients that would actually help you so much to poop out all of the bad fat, and then you're gonna be looking healthy, you're going to be looking younger, you're gonna be looking beautiful, and you're literally going to, you know, it is actually going to help you to remove all of those fat. And hold on guys, when you start drinking this, it's not like the fat is going to disappear in one day, no, but it's going to do that little by little. So if you're actually breastfeeding, you can actually take this. The only person that cannot take this particular fat removal remedy is a pregnant woman, just like me. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be sipping it because it's healthy, and because all of the ingredients in there are natural, and everything in here is something that you can actually give a try, and it's going to be working for you. Okay, so it tastes really great. Yeah, this is actually also good for me because basically I do eat a lot of apples, you know, for my baby, of course, in the belly. Okay, yeah, but this is perfect for any person, okay, except you don't want to slim down too much, okay? But if you want this thing to work fast, you can add lemon and apple cider vinegar. I just did not want too much of plenty ingredients in here. That is why I actually made only 2 ingredients. Okay, so that's it. Go give this a try, and you are going to be really loving this fat removal remedy. This is how it is. It's beautiful, the color is amazing, the ingredients is natural, all of the ingredients are edible, and they are very good. So if you do love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Okay, let me do this again.